Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Azkia Faidiza Rusmana from class D. Here I will to explain my senior thesis with the title Impact Analysis of the Traffic on the Development of Aulia Wanaraja Estate Housing, Cinunuk Wanaraja Road, Garut Regency. Introduction. The conclusion of the Aulia Wanaraja Estate housing complex, which is located on Jalan Cinunuk, is part of the framework to support the development in Garut Regency. The Aulia Wanaraja Estate housing complex has attracted a lot of attention from people other area because it is located on the route that has access to a shopping center, discuss traffic jam on the route surrounding the housing development. Therefore, proper engineering and traffic management is needed to avoid disruption to the smooth flow of the route and nearby intersection. A specialist study on the traffic impact analysis, or commonly called Andalalin, assesses the traffic impact caused by the development of an area on the surrounding traffic network. Through the field observation activities, the aim is to find out how much influence housing development has on traffic performance seen from the aspect of traffic volume, international speed, and vehicle entry and exit that occur in the Aulia Wanaraja Estate housing complex using the 1997 MKJL method. Research description. A. Traffic impact analysis. Traffic impact analysis is a specialist study of the construction of houses and other land in the urban transportation system, especially the road network around the construction site. Traffic impact analysis is basically an analysis of the impact of land development on the surrounding traffic flow system, which is caused by new traffic, movement of traffic flow, and vehicle entering and exiting the lane. Traffic impact analysis is defined as a specialist study of the construction of urban traffic system, building facility, and other land uses, especially the road network at construction site, based on the regulation of the Minister of Transportation of the Republic of Indonesia, implementation of a traffic impact analysis PM number 75 of 2015. B. Traffic characteristic. According to the 1997 MKJL, vehicles are divided into four categories, namely small vehicle, large vehicle, motorbike, and non-motor vehicle. Law number 22 of 2009 explains several types of vehicle that are included into the motor vehicle category, including motorbike, passenger car, buses, and cargo transportation. The vehicle equivalent value obtained according to the route planning standard and the equivalent coefficient are shown in Table 1. This is Table 1 passenger car equivalent value for undivided urban route. Research description. C. Urban route capacity. Urban route capacity is calculated based on the basic capacity. Basic capacity refer to the maximum number of the vehicle that can cross a line or intersection for 1 hour close to ideal traffic condition. The intersection. Intersections are an important part of the road network system. Smooth movement in the road network is very dependent on the law of intersection movement. Intersection can be controlled by controlling traffic flow in the road network system, so it can be set to the part of the road network. And the road network is an important or critical area that serves a traffic flow. E. Degree of saturation. Degree of saturation, DS, is the ratio of flow, PCO per hour to capacity, PCO per hour. Result and discussion. A traffic performance, road section capacity, degree of saturation, perform of the Wanaraja Cinunuk intersection, degree of desolation, generation, and attraction analysis. Performance of the Chinook road section. Road section capacity. Based on the result of a 3-day survey, namely 5 October 2022, 2020, 8 October and 10 October 2020, traffic volume data for Jalan Cinunuk was obtained. October 8 is a change to the start of the weekend, Thursday. October 10th represent the weekend, Saturday, and October 5 represent the beginning of the week, Monday. From 15 to 15 maybe with the 15-minute interval lasting 12 hours, so the peak time is known. According in the morning, namely at 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock, maybe the total speed was 370 PCO per hour. The observed traffic flow is divided into small vehicle, large vehicle, motorbike, and non-motorized vehicle. According the 1997 Indonesian Road Capacity Manual, by converting each type of vehicle per hour, into the equivalent number of passenger car (EMP) for hourly data processing. Road section capacity. This can be seen from Table 2 and Figure 5 is turn out that the vehicle most frequently used on Jalan Cinunuk are motorbike. After 12 hours of observation, the number of vehicle was 5,749 vehicle. After the knowing rush hour, the traffic flow on the Jalan Cinunuk before the construction of Table 3 list housing at Aulia Wanaraja Estate. Performance of the Chinunuk road section. Degree of saturation. Based on the performance calculated result for Chinunuk road, it was found that the DS value was less than 0.8 for all direction, which means that the road is all direction is a stable traffic condition and the service level is B. Performance of the Chinunuk-Wanaraja intersection. Intersection capacity. From the intersection survey on Jalan Cinunuk, Jalan Wanaraja is include the intersection category 3 with no signal, which is in the line with the 1997 Indonesia Road Capacity Manual. The enumeration of traffic volume at Simpang Cinunuk, Wanaraja was carried out based on the assumption that the peak hour at the Chinunuk-Wanaraja intersection was the same as the peak hour at Jalan Chinunuk, namely at 6 o'clock and 7 o'clock. Maybe the result of the enumeration at the Jalan Chinunuk-Wanaraja intersection is shown in Table 6. General and attraction analysis. Below is how to determine the value trip return travel attraction data for Aulia Wanaraja Estate housing is as follows. The total volume of vehicle entering and leaving for 1 hour in Oma Indah Housing Complex at 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock is 247 vehicle per hour. Resident capacity of Oma Indah Housing 600 unit. One unit in Oma Indah Housing produce trip rate equal to 0.41 vehicle per hour per unit. Aulia Wanaraja Estate housing capacity 219 unit, which will result in the vehicle trip attraction of 90 vehicle per hour. Validate the number of pool of Aulia Wanaraja Estate housing based on the number of vehicle volume as follow. Number of pool 105 pool per hour. Conclusion. From the result of the analysis and calculation in the research after completion, the following conclusion can be drawn. 1. The analysis of Chinunuk Road, which served as the main road leading to the Aulia Wanaraja Estate housing location under existing condition, so stable traffic condition, with a DS value on the Chinunuk Road of 0.27 less than 0.8 indicating road service level B. 2. The condition of the Chinunuk Road section for the next 15 years by 2035 after the establishment of Aulia Wanaraja Estate resulting in a attraction of 105 vehicle per hour plus a project vehicle growth rate of the 4.04%, so stable traffic condition with a DS value of 0.50 less than 0.8 indicating road service level C. To minimize traffic flow disruption, the road section operational performance over 15 years. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.